Hey, it's Megan from ThisSweatyLife. I just wanted to make a little workout for you guys. It's going to be a great beginner workout. Each move you're going to do for 35 seconds, and then you'll have a 10-second break between moves. And then you'll do the entire workout 3 times through. So the whole workout will end up being 27 minutes long. Hopefully you guys are able to do this whole workout even if you're just starting out. You can go at a slower pace while doing each move to make it a little bit easier for you. And if you've gone through it a couple times already and you're ready to speed things up, you can do your jumping jacks faster or whatever move you're on. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.